A very good morning to all of you, my dear kids. Hope you all are doing well. So, my dear children, in the previous video, we have done the revision of chapter 1, Body and Health, and chapter 2, Inside Our Body. And since we were not able to cover the whole chapter 4, that is houses we live in, so we will be recapitulating the portion we have read till now in the form of fill in the blanks today. So in the today's video, we are going to start with the revision of chapter 4, houses we live in. And once again, I would like to tell all of you for your kind information that this is just an oral revision. You need not write anything in your notebooks. So you just have to revise it orally with me. So shall we get started? So children, we are going to revise it in the form of fill in the blanks. So the first part says that the place where we live in is called a, what is it called? The place, children, where we live, where we stay is called a house. Yes, my dear children, and as I told you that all of us need a house to live. Houses are of different kinds. Like your house is not same as your friend's house or as your relative's house. Every person lives in a house, whether it is small, big, or made up of different material, but everyone needs a house to live. And I told you that even animals need a shelter to live. So the house of a dog is called as kennel. The house of a horse is called as stable. The house of lion is called as den. So children, the place where we live in is called a house. Now coming over to the next part. An dash clean house is everyone's need. So children, how should our house be like? It should be clean. Yes. It should be littered. Yes. And it should be airy. Yes. Our house should be fully ventilated. That is why we make windows in our houses, so that air can come inside our house. Okay, children. Now coming over to the next part. A house keeps us dash. So a house keeps us safe. Yes, we are safe into our houses. Yes, children. How? Like we are protected from thieves. Yes. So a house keeps us safe. Like animal, they just run towards their shelter whenever they see their predators are chasing them. So children, everybody needs a house to live in to keep themselves safe. Now coming over to the next part. Fourth part is a house protects us from. So children, tell me, a house protects us from heat. Yes, I told you that a house protects us from the heat of the sun. Like these days we are experiencing very hot weather. So all of us go outside just for very essential need. Yes, otherwise we all stay at home, which protects us from the heat of the sun. And a house protects us from rain as well. Whenever we are nearby our houses and it starts raining, we always run towards our house. We always want to reach our house. Yes, children. Now a house protects us from winds and storm as well. Yes, So a house protects us from heat, rain, wind and storm. Coming over to the next part. Fifth part. Different places have dash houses. So different places have different houses. Like I told you that in hilly regions the houses are having slopy roofs. Why do they have slopy roofs? As in case when it's raining there, or the area experiences snowfall, so it just falls down through the slope. It doesn't get the snow or rain water doesn't get accumulated over the terrace. So the houses in the hilly regions have slopy roofs. Okay, children. So just like that, different places have different kind of houses. Now coming over to the next part, the type of house depends on the dash conditions of a place. The type of house depends on the weather conditions of the place. Okay, like in very cold regions, people make igloos to live in. We are going to study all these things in details, so you will get a better knowledge of it later on. Now coming over to the next part, it also depends on the dash that are available locally in that place. The type of houses also depends on the material that are available locally in that place. Like in cities we build house with cement, bricks, yeah, and in villages such kind of material is not available, so generally people use bamboo sticks, mud, leaves to build their houses. So children, that is all about today's revision. Now I hope that you all are watching our videos and enjoying them. So my dear kids, now it's time for your summer vacations. So I hope that you all will enjoy staying at home, taking care of yourself, do lots of exercises, eat healthy food and take care of yourself. So my dear kids, enjoy your holidays. Have happy holidays. Thank you.